Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. Well, as you can see, we have an unbagging, but this time it's part 3 of my order from AliExpress. So let's find out what is in the bag. If I can get it open here. Excuse me. Kind of a tight bag. Holy cow. All right. I guess that's all that is in there. Now I have 2 stamped cross stitches. They're fairly big. They're not ginormous by any means. Give me 2 seconds here. Well, my goodness gracious. Thought it was right there because I want to know what's what here. All right. We'll start with the one here on the top. Let me get it undone. All right. I am back. Is that not gorgeous? It's a 60 by 80 and it is 9 count. So that's what makes it so big. But yeah, I just saw the colors were just absolutely stunning. And this one, let's see, was $23.92. And these prices change quickly, very quickly. Let's see what we got in here. Are you kidding me? There's no paper pattern? Seriously? Oh, here it is. Jeez, I was like, that never happened. Get out the paper pattern. I have no idea who makes this kit. Now it does say MYO60. That might be Meon, the Meon store, but I'm not for sure. This has 45 colors and this has been wet. Otherwise the paper pattern would have matched this. Now, I'm sure I can contact the company and they'll give me a QR code and then I can have the pattern, but we'll see what happens as we go forward. I just hope the thing is not wet. Oh, no. That's where it was. Yeah, no, the pattern is not wet. Or the canvas. Now, here's their big toolkit. We get 2 needles. Oh my goodness. Don't hurt yourself, people. Let's take a look at those stunning, stunning colors. We have 2 thread cards. Thank God they're on thread cards, so we don't have to worry about it. Everybody is just mushed together. They've all been together too long here. Very nice. Look at those blues and turquoises. We have some brick red. Oh, I could have told you what the colors were. We have 321 red. No 550. No 310. We have 823 and 939. We have 3770, which is kind of a butterish color. And we have 3865 for white. So we'll see how that goes from there. Just beautiful colors. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Let's take a look at the other side. But I thought for the price that was not too bad at all. We have some bright greens, but look at all the oranges. Now this one, do you see that? There's a place for these 2 colors right here. This is one color. It says 7 and 7. I don't know if any others are like that. Oh, this 18. These 2 are the same number. Anything else? And 30, which looks like 939. And whatever comes after that. I'm not sure what color that is, but there's 2 of those. But at least it's all on thread cards. And then we'll look over here. Beautiful turquoises, light turquoise, medium turquoise, bright peacock colors. Some more red. Now there are 3 of these. And over here we have 3 of this color and 3 of this color. So that's kind of an interesting way to do that. So very pretty. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous array of colors. I can hardly wait. Just stunning. I'll put that there. I'm going to move this other one out of my way so I can open this up. And since it's 9 count, it's very big print. You can see, like, there's a flower there. There's a little, I don't know if it's a temple or a pagoda. But very nice, very big. Well, I don't know if it's going to be too big to measure or not. I'm trying. I have to get past the stupid lamp over here. But very well done. Very easy to see symbols. There's not any confetti that I can see. It has a nice big key on this side. And it is serged all the way around. This is kind of a sparkly canvas. These 9 counts seem to come on a sparkly canvas for some reason. Let's see if we can measure this. Sorry, the bell will be ringing because, you know, it is what it is. So approximately, this says 87 centimeters or 34 3/4. And they've given you a nice, if I could just turn it, wide margin here because it does have a salvage edge there. Please stop here. I'll put that way over there and then maybe I can get it out of my face. And this way, they give you extra material if there's a salvage edge, so that's nice. It's 59 centimeters or 23 1/4. I don't know if I can measure the actual picture size. It's 47 centimeters or 18 1/2 inches. It's kind of big. It's just big, bulky. Just because it's so stiff. But it will crunch down. I've had that other 9 count. So the actual picture size over this way is 66 1/2 centimeters or almost 26 1/4 inches. But yeah, I'm very happy with this. It's beautiful. I think the colors are just going to, and there's big areas to stitch. This would be something to do in front of the TV. And especially in winter, it'll be just fine. And I'm kind of liking these 9 counts. They're different, you know. Because you stitch on 14, then you stitch on 11, and then you stitch on 9 count, and it's like, whoa. Yeah. But very well printed, very easy to see symbols, so very nice. Now this next one is also a 9 count, and it's 70 by 70. And, nope. Let's see. 23.19. Let me get it out of its crinkly bag. All right. Is that not gorgeous? Look at all those beautiful, beautiful colors. Turquoises, greens to turquoise. Just love this pattern. And I almost got it the last month, but I didn't. I got it this month. Now it has a JH number, so I don't have a clue who makes that. But it's just got stunning, stunning colors. I'm expecting some purples and pinks. Look at those peonies. Ugh. To die for. This one actually says it's 212 by 212. Stitch-wise. Let's turn it the way. I'm not sure which way it's supposed to go. I believe it's this way. So it has 52 colors. No 310 black again. We have 321 red. 666 red. There's some other shades of red in that realm. I'm just not sure in the 600s what's what. No 823. We do have 939, so they're probably using that for the dark color. And we have that 3770 color again. And 3865 for white. Kind of a small pattern, but it's not smudged or smeared. It comes on this kind of a pattern page. But I just think this will be stunning. Just absolutely stunning. The colors are to die for. I know I'm drooling. Keep moving more. All right, I'm trying to figure out how. Really? You are going to get solved this weekend, buddy. Okay, so we have different kinds of thread cards. Also comes with 2 needles. I'm telling you. This has a glob of colors, and it's the loop over kind. Beautiful purples, greens, pinks, blues, oranges of various shades, reds. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. These things are going to have their own bags. That's just all there is to it. And the next thread card, I keep thinking there's more there. Look at the blues and the peach or pinks. Kind of rose colors. We even have a brick color. And there's your 939, so that's not a whole bunch. Beautiful turquoise colors. And the last thread card. From here all the way down to here is one color. So that put them all on there. This is kind of like how that, what is it? The one along during the Qingming Festival came, I think. Just huge thread cards. But these aren't bad. I can deal with them. But just stunning, stunning colors. Just, can you ever? You just want to take a bath in them. They're just lovely. Let's get that out of the way this time. And this is serged all the way around as well. I'm going to try to get it unfolded here. It's just huge. I'm trying to figure out which side's up. Oh my goodness. And it has, no, it doesn't have a salvage edge. It's made the same way, only there's no salvage edge right there. But very, very nice. Huge, great big key. We'll see if I can measure this. We'll try. The salvage edge is on the other side, and I'll show you in a minute. Now this is going to have a little bit more confetti in it than the other one. I think mainly because there's more colors. All right, 90.5 centimeters, or almost 35 3/4 inches by, we're trying. All right, hang on. Looks like 66.5 centimeters, or 26.25 inches. If I could just talk. And this way it is, the actual picture is 60 centimeters, or almost a little over 23.5 inches by, hold please, there will be a moment, a little over 57 centimeters, or 22.5, so give or take. It's a big piece of material. But the symbols are all nice and clear. That's what I like about that 9 count. There's just no guessing, actually. You know, you can see them really, really clear. And for people that don't have good eyesight, you know, as far as stitching goes, this is like the perfect thing. And you use 4 strands on this. And it's on a sparkly canvas as well. I'll try to hold it as still as I possibly can. Very nicely done. Just beautiful. I think we're going to have to start this one this afternoon. I really do. But just beautiful. Beautiful kits. I'm happy with both of them. I think that was a good choice. I mean, and it takes hours sometimes. I mean, I'll go and I'll pick out like 6 or 8 things, and then I'll come back the next day because I don't have time that day. And, you know, what I don't like, I toss out and I look for other things. So it's a process. All right, guys, that is all that I gotten from AliExpress. We still have the order coming from fan cells, and I'm not sure when that will be. Probably later on. I don't know. I'm kind of guessing. Maybe the first week of October-ish. Just guessing. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.